In a world of ever-tightening emissions regulation, LNG fuel offers a clean and cost-effective solution to power your operations. To provide access to this opportunity, JLA has developed the bunkering system to supply LNG safely, efficiently, and reliably to any type of vessel. The BunkerTec. The BunkerTec is designed and built in the Netherlands. Thoroughly tested and certified, the system delivers the highest standards in safety and reliability. Handling is made easy with a 300-degree rotation range and control over each individual hose. This allows the operator to remotely maneuver the coupler into the optimal position. There, the dry brake coupling ensures safe and quick connection and disconnection. In addition, the flexible hoses allow you to follow a ship's movements while bunkering. In the event that a ship should move out of position and cannot stay connected, the emergency release system ensures safe disconnection and slowly lowers the hoses. Once the bunkering is finished, the hose catchers secure the hoses. All set for the next job. Built to last and engineered to order, the BunkerTec requires very little maintenance. Customized for any type of bunker vessel, it is ready to power your operation. JLA's BunkerTec, next-gen connectors.